pizza is packed with half a pound of real cheese, signature sauce, and other delicious toppings, all on a thin, crispy.
Yes, Kristen carrots.
Mouth-watering meaty, cheesy, or veggie varieties to choose from. DiGiorno Classic Crust is just as delicious as it is affordable.
That's it.
It's not delivery. It's DiGiorno.
It's our carrot soap, our complexion bar. You see the real carrots in there?
Cybersecurity and
Look at
advanced
that.
fiber solutions. Comcast
Real
Business helps turn
carrots.
today's small businesses into engines of modern business.
Real carrots.
Powering the engine of modern business. Powering possibilities.
This is a beautiful, beautiful smelling soap too. It's sweet. Look at the carrots in there. With my products, what you see is what you get. Let me tell you what this soap does. And let me tell you what's in it. Enhances cell renewal. You know what cell renewal is? When your cells are dying down, carrots and that vitamin A help heal the cells. Safeguards the skin against sunburn damage. Brightens the skin tone on your face, body, neck, inner thigh, and underarms. There's carrot in this, rice water, ginger, sea salt, orange, and turmeric in this beautiful carrot soap bar. And you see those carrots on the front? They come from my garden. Your son? Okay. You can watch me all day. Okay, that's awesome. I'm so glad. Thank you for saying that. I can't wait till you're ready to, whenever you're ready to order, I understand. Okay, how many carrots? I have a lot more of these carrots over there, but because I made them 2 separate times when I seen these were selling out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 that are here. I'm not done yet with the carrots. Okay. And guess what else it has? I don't play. I also make a carrot moisturizing cream. That's over there. I should go get it so you can see it. And also a lotion, but I'm gonna do the lotion. I'm gonna show it to you. It's like a gel. This is the carrot lotion. It's made for your face. So I put on my hand. Beautiful, huh? Real carrots. Now this little lotion bottle comes free with every 2 bars of carrot soap that you buy. Yep. Look how nice that is. Smells so good tonight. Okay. Now these little bottles here, I have 1. I have 4. But I also have the moisturizer over there. Let me say 4 bottles. Carrot lotion. Because with the carrot lotion, you want to cleanse your face. And then you want to apply a little something nice on top of it to give it a nice little, you want to make it feel, or you want to layer it so that it's nice on your skin and that the carrots can actually, you can get that glow in your skin from the carrots. Okay, so I did the carrots, the bottles, and the eczema on the wall. So these can go away. 1, 2. I did, okay, 1, 2, 3. I ripped them all. Okay, this one. Okay. Let's move on. Woo, you're gonna like this one. Okay. This one has a tea. This one has a tea that comes in a tin or in a pack. All these herbs I grew in my garden. Now, how many of you have ever